Omuwandiisi mu kyagi ky'eggwanga Keith Mwakanizi yategeeza abaka akakiiko akalondola ensimbi z'omusolo nti oluvanyuma lw'Abasajjabalaba okugaana okusasula banka enkulu ate Minisitry y'ebyensimbi yasasula obuwumbi 21 nga n'okutuusa kati Basajjabalaba takomyangawo ssente ezo. Ssente zino zaaweebwa Basajjabalaba oluvanyuma lw'amabanja amangi agaali gamutuuse mu bulago.
And the authority was not there, so you tell us how you came to ask a loan for 21 billion from Bank of Uganda on behalf of businessman.
It was made through appropriation. This money, what we did was simple. Pay back Bank of Uganda, but Basajjabalaba had to remain with an obligation to government of Uganda. And we still have the securities held in central bank to this effect.
Who in the government moved the Bank of Uganda to pay Basajjabalaba?
Mr. Chairman,
it can't be government. There must have been an officer, an agent of government.
Abakera bakizudde nti Basajjabalaba yali abayisiza ku litalaba bwe yakyusakyusa ebyapa bye yali asinze mu banka ng'ateekateeka okutunda emisingo.
That those transfers were fraudulent and he cancelled the title. Why? Because they were so numerous and even the certificates of the transfers were a bit forged.
Abaka kibabuuseeko bwe bategeeza nti newankubadde banka enkulu egamba nti ekuma ebyapa by'amayumba Basajjabalaba bye yasingayo aba Minisitry y'ebyensimbi tebamanyi bizimbe gye biri.
As we talk now, Basajjabalaba still is in possession of these properties and he collects rent from them. Why didn't you take such a prudent measure?
I want to cross-check with the system why we haven't taken action and come back to it.
These properties are, CID will be directed to swing into action, to go into those properties and find out who is transacting business there.
I think
don't intimidate the chair.
No, I was thinking.
You are more concerned about individuals rather than the taxpayers. Honestly.
Your boss has said that you know them and you know where they are. No, you wait. You have said the officer in charge of those properties.
Is Mr. Boch.
Who knows is the officer who is here?
No, I don't.
Kinajjukirwa nti Basajjabalaba y'omu Jojjuze yaweebwa obuwumbi 182 oluvanyuma lwa Pulezidenti okumulagira ave mu butale bwa Kampala abasuubuzi babeddukanyize. Jingo Francis, NTV Akawungezi.